feeling a spirit. Oh, that song was lovely, just beautiful. I would like all the late members to come up to the altar, please, and pay their fees. Come, man, I know I was here from early this morning, man. Come. Yo, Skeng, a service you use?
The Wi-Fi.
Oh, alright. Pick up. Oh, nah, chai chick, God. Come up, man, and pay on fee, man. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Alright, thank you. Alright, have a seat for me, please. Is anyone in here named Skeng?
Oh, Lord.
Yes, you young man, come up to the altar, please. Yes, come up to the altar. So young man, you know why you're here today. Oh, I feel the spirit of God running through me, man.
How many coming on and chatting here? We just come for the yoke and cut.
Let me preach, man. Oh. So today we are giving some heaven passports.
Passport.
I'm going to change some life in here today. Let me hear a amen. Okay. So you don't want a heaven passport, young man? Oh, very anxious, I see. Okay. Alright, young man. You know, say you have a good kind soul. God bless you. But we have to go around at the back for the heaven passport. I go save some soul today. Shatarababa. Oh, yeah.
You must be sick.
They want it here.
Nobody even care who want love.
Alright, young man. Alright, young man. Servants, please pass the sacrificing tools. Oh, yes, I'm gonna save some soul today. Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you. Hold him still for me, please.
Yo, what you talking about?
So let's get this ceremony started. I'm feeling a spirit. So, Skeng, you will be the first one to receive your heaven passport.
Hey, boy!
Why are you interrupting the ceremony, sir? You don't want the heaven passport? Please hold him still for me. Shatarababa. Oh. I'm rich from this to this, so. Hey, wanna get him, wanna hold him. Hold him.
Run, 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 run.